Hi Dr. V, my lower canine appears longer than the one on the other side. Is it possible to push the tooth down into the gum to make it look even?
All right. So can we make it even? Absolutely. There are many ways to make it even, right? However, but I need to know the reason why the tooth is looking longer, right? If you have gum receding and that's what is making the tooth longer, then it's an easy fix, and that is what I do all day long. However, what about what we call it as a canting, which means like you were born with like one side higher than the other, and the lower side is making your tooth longer. So then that means it's like a longer fix. You may have to do braces, and you may need to have some kind of a surgical procedure, or if you're born with it, and we may not be able to even fix that. But what about like the tooth did not push all the way in, and that is why the other side looks longer, but this side like a little shorter. Then braces are easy way to fix that. What about your tooth itself, like slightly shorter on that side, although it has come all the way, you don't have any gaps or any other, then that's again an easy fix, and you can put like a veneer. So there are multiple ways like you can fix that, by contouring or like braces or gum grafting or like a veneers or bonding. The answer is go see the dentist, and they can definitely help you. And if you need a periodontist, and if you're in Dallas, and you can come to ToothHQ or wherever you are, go see a periodontist, and if you needed a gum grafting.